The showdown over Shiv Sena UBT's Aurangzeb remark escalates. Responding to Sena UBT MP Sanjay Raut's Aurangzeb remark, the Prime Minister has hit out now, calling Uddhav Sena Nakli Sena, adding that their threat to bury him alive will fall flat because 1.4 billion Indians are standing together to protect the Prime Minister. Remember, this comes after Shiv Sena UBT MP Sanjay Raut made a controversial remark against the Prime Minister while addressing a public meeting in Maharashtra's Ahmednagar. Raut drew a parallel between the mindset of Aurangzeb and Prime Minister Modi. He further targeted Prime Minister, claiming that Aurangzeb was born in Gujarat and buried in Maharashtra and that the Prime Minister can suffer the same fate. Meanwhile, BJP has lodged a complaint against Raut, claiming that the Sena UBT MP's statement could trigger communal disharmony and affect peaceful poll campaign.
एक तरफ कांग्रेस है जो कहती है मोदी तेरी कब्र खुद देगी और दूसरी तरफ ये नकली शिवसेना है जो मुझे जिंदा गाड़ने की बात करती है। अपने वोट बैंक को पसंद आए वही गाली दागोगे क्या? साथियों, मुझे कई बार ये सोचकर दुख होता है कि बाला साहब ठाकरे को कितना दुख होता होगा। मैंने बाला साहब को निकट से देखा है, उनके मन को, दिल को छू करके मैंने देखा है। अब तो ये नकली शिवसेना वाले बम धमाके के दोषी को भी अपने साथ प्रचार में ले जाने लगे हैं। इसलिए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं कि मुझे उनको जमीन में गाड़ने के सपने दिख रहे हैं। ये लोग जनता का साथ, जनता का विश्वास तो गवा चुके हैं।
Now listen in to what Sanjay Raut said, his Aurangzeb threat that he made against Prime Minister on Thursday.
औरंगजेब तिथे जन्माला आलाय गुजरातमध्ये, म्हणून आपल्याशी ते औरंगजेबी वृत्तीने वागतायत. पण लक्षात घ्या, एका औरंगजेबाला या महाराष्ट्रामध्ये आम्ही काढलाय. 27 वर्ष तो औरंगजेब महाराष्ट्र जिंकण्यासाठी लढत होता आणि शेवटी त्या औरंगजेबाला आम्ही या महाराष्ट्रात गाडून त्याची कबर खणलेली आहे. तेव्हा नरेंद्र मोदी तू कोण है?
Now, after his backlash over the statement, Sanjay Raut today has clarified that his remarks did not call the Prime Minister Aurangzeb.
मोदी जी और शाह जी उसी तरह से महाराष्ट्र के ऊपर हमले कर रहे हैं, महाराष्ट्र को तोड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं, महाराष्ट्र लूटने की कोशिश करते हैं. उसमें मिर्ची लगने की क्या जरूरत है किसी को? मैंने तो किसी को औरंगजेब नहीं कहा है कि एक विकृति है, एक वृत्ति है.
My colleague Mustafa Sheikh is now joining us live for more on this. Mustafa, that statement by Sanjay Raut has now received backlash from the Prime Minister himself. Sanjay Raut, though, of course, tries to clarify and says that he wasn't likening the Prime Minister to Aurangzeb.
Well, yes, follow me. As the elections of Maharashtra enter the fourth phase, it seems that not only agendas of politics, but personal comments and personal attacks are being you can say, the taste of the day. And be it anybody, all political leaders are going after each other. In Sanjay Raut's case, he went on to say, he went on to suggest that like Aurangzeb, the Prime Minister Modi is trying to infiltrate Maharashtra. And then he said that Aurangzeb was buried in the ground of Maharashtra. So who is Modi? So that it seems that the BJP is alleging that he's suggesting, and it's like a threat to the Prime Minister Modi, and they have complained to Election Commission in Mumbai. They have filed police complaints in Nagpur, Aurangabad, in Mumbai, and at different places. So clearly it seems that the situation politically in Maharashtra is heating up, and it has gone from development agendas, allegations to personal comments, and all leaders, it seems to be, are engaging in this. Back to you.